In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays to Google Calendar. Keeping track of birthdays can sometimes be a challenge, especially if you have lots of friends and family. But don't worry, by using Google Calendar, you can ensure that you never miss a birthday again. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account, where you also have your Google Calendar. You'll want to head over to the Google Contacts website. This is crucial because the birthdays need to be linked through the contacts. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll see an option to create contact. Give that a click. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the contact's details. Begin by typing in the name of the person whose birthday you wish to remember. It's as simple as filling out their basic information like you would in any typical contact form. Right below the name, you're going to find a section where you can enter more details, which includes a field for birthdays. Here comes the fun part, setting the actual birthday date. First, go ahead and click on the month drop-down menu. This will allow you to scroll through and choose the month of the person's birthday. Once you've done that, click on the specific month to select it. Afterward, type in the day of the month that their birthday falls on. It's important to be precise here so you don't accidentally celebrate a couple of days too early or late. Next, although it's optional, typing in the year they were born could be helpful, especially if you want to keep track of milestone birthdays like 30th, 40th, and so forth. With this information all filled out, we're almost there. You'll notice a save button on the page. Make sure to click it to ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Saving confirms that the new contact, equipped with their birthday, is now securely stored in your Google Contacts. To see if everything's set up correctly, head over to your Google Calendar. With everything linked correctly, you should find the birthday automatically appearing there. It can usually be found by scrolling through the specific month you set the birthday. If it doesn't show up immediately, give it a little time. Sometimes it can take a bit to sync everything up. And there you have it, a straightforward way to ensure you never skip celebrating a special day. By adding birthdays directly to your Google Contacts, you're seamlessly connecting them with your Google Calendar, making it incredibly easy to manage all your memorable dates effortlessly. Keep in mind these steps and enjoy never missing a birthday toast ever again. Thanks for watching and happy birthday planning.